this sacred hand-fasting ceremony, we'll gather to witness the union of Aaron and Stephanie under the watchful eyes of the Old Norse gods. But before we begin, we're going to honor Odin and Freya with something we call a flow, which is a small offering to the Norse gods so that we can receive their blessings. I ask you, holy forces of the north, east, south, and west, to come forward, form a shield wall, and protect this sacred space. Odin, great All-Father, we ask you to come and observe this union, listen to these oaths, and bless this union with vitality, long life, and health. Great goddess Freya, goddess of beauty and love, we ask you to bless this union so that love triumphs over all for the remainder of their days. Hail Freya. And we pour one drink to the spirits of this land. This is our homeland, and we use this land. We love it and we care for it, and we thank it for its contribution to today. Hail. Freya and Odin, bless your union. Freya and Odin, bless your union. Marriage is a sacred bond and a union of two souls who chose to walk this path together. In the tradition of our ancestors, this hand-fasting is not just the joining of two individuals, but the blending of two families and their faiths, for weird. As you live your life together, remember to honor the connections that brought you here and to cherish the love and support of your families. Aaron and Stephanie, please take this oath and swear your oaths to each other upon. With this ring, I bind our past and our fates together for all eternity.
With this ring, I bind our fates and our past
Together for all eternity.
together for all eternity.
You do it from the old tradition. Aaron and Stephanie exchange weapons. It's a symbol of their undying protection to essentially form a two-person shield.
I give this one to you.
Now I bind your hands with this ribbon of wool, beautifully crafted by Aaron's mother, for this purpose, to do better. Let this be a piece of the tapestry woven by the Norns, that you're bound together for all eternity. This is your piece. It used to be two separate lines, two separate strings, but now they're woven together for all eternity. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. By the power vested in me by the old gods and the love that Aaron and Stephanie share, I now pronounce you bound in love and faith. You are now husband and wife, and your union be blessed by the old gods, and may your days be filled with joy and prosperity. You may now consecrate this union with a With that, we announce your union to the gods.
Yeah.